What if I told you that your garden could explode with fresh food in just 30 days right now, even when everyone else thinks the growing season is over? Sounds impossible, right? But here's the truth. Fall is secretly the fastest, easiest time to grow your own veggies, especially if you live in Zone 7B. The cool weather, gentle sunlight, and perfect soil conditions turn your garden into a speed-growing machine. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fast-track your fall veggies so you can harvest fresh greens, roots, and herbs in less than a month. And before you think it's complicated or too late, wait till you see the trick most gardeners have never tried. Stay with me till the end, because the real secret to a 30-day harvest isn't what you think. Most gardeners pack up their tools when summer ends, thinking their growing season is done. But that's the biggest mistake you can make. Fall isn't the end. It's the beginning of something even better. Cooler air means fewer pests, gentler sun, and faster growing plants. Yes, you heard that right, faster. When the heat fades, your veggies focus on growing leaves and roots instead of fighting the stress of summer. That's why the smartest gardeners in Zone 7B call fall their bonus harvest season. The best part, you don't need fancy equipment, just the right timing and a few quick-growing crops. But there's one golden rule that beginners miss, and if you skip it, your 30-day harvest will never happen. I'll tell you that rule soon. But first, let's look at the power players, the veggies that sprint from seed to plate before most people even finish raking their leaves. Let's start with one of the speediest greens you can grow, arugula. From seed to salad in just 20 to 25 days, arugula loves the cool fall air. It germinates fast, grows fast, and the flavor gets even better as the temperature drops. Sow it directly into the soil, keep it slightly moist, and within 3 weeks, you'll have peppery leaves ready to pick. Next, the king of quick roots, radishes. Radishes are the true fast-growing fall vegetables. In Zone 7B, they take only about 25 days to mature. The trick is consistent watering dry soil slows them down. And then there's spinach, one of the most rewarding crops of all. Plant it now and you'll be picking baby spinach leaves in just 30 days. The cooler it gets, the sweeter the leaves taste. Keep the soil rich in compost, and you'll get lush, tender greens before you even realize a month has passed. But wait, don't rush to plant yet, because here comes the twist that changes everything. Most people think fast growth is all about the seed, but that's not true. There's a small secret, a technique so simple that even beginners can double their harvest speed. It has nothing to do with fertilizers or expensive gear. It's something you can set up in under 5 minutes, and it makes your plants grow like it's still summer. What is it? Don't worry, I'll tell you in a moment. But before that, you need to understand what's actually happening under the soil right now in fall, because that's where the real magic of your 30-day harvest begins. Here's the secret most gardeners overlook: microclimate control. In plain words, it's how you create a slightly warmer, more stable environment for your plants, even when fall nights get cold. Use a simple row cover, a low tunnel, or even an old clear storage bin as a mini greenhouse. This traps warmth, protects from wind, and keeps the soil temperature a few degrees higher, perfect for a fast 30-day harvest in Zone 7B. You can also use black compost mulch to absorb heat during the day and release it at night. The result? Seeds sprout faster, leaves grow fuller, and your veggies think they're still in late summer. It's like giving your plants a VIP ticket to speed growth season. And if you combine this with one little trick, feeding them a compost tea once a week, you'll see results that will blow your mind. But we're not done yet. Some of the best crops for fast fall growth are still waiting for their turn, and one of them might surprise you. Now, let's talk about the second wave of fast-growing champions. Lettuce mixes are perfect for fall. Plant them densely, and in about 3 weeks, you can start harvesting baby leaves, cutting what you need and letting the rest regrow. It's like having an endless salad bowl. Then there's mustard greens, bold flavor, fast growth, and frost tolerance that's off the charts. These greens love cool air and can reach harvest size in under 30 days. And don't forget pak choi, or baby bok choy. This Asian green grows incredibly fast, especially in the mild fall weather of Zone 7B. Start harvesting small heads in about 25 days, and the flavor is fresh, sweet, and crisp. Together, these fast-growing fall vegetables can fill your garden bed and your plate in no time. But we're still missing one key crop, the one most gardeners overlook, yet it might be your fastest harvest of all. Can you guess what it is? Here's the part that surprises everyone. The most underrated fall vegetable for a 30-day harvest isn't a leafy green or root crop. It's green onions. Sounds too simple, right? But here's the wild part. You can plant them from seed or even from store-bought scraps, and they start giving harvestable shoots in just 3 to 4 weeks. Snip the tops, and they keep regrowing again and again. It's the ultimate plant once. Harvest often veggie for Zone 7B. So now you know fall isn't the season to stop gardening. It's the season to speed it up. With the right strategy, a few fast-growing fall vegetables, and a simple microclimate setup, you can enjoy a 30-day harvest in Zone 7B, even when your neighbors think it's too cold to grow anything. Imagine walking out to your garden next month and picking a full bowl of fresh greens, knowing you didn't waste a single day of the season. The question is, which one will you plant first? Will it be radishes, spinach, or that sneaky green onion patch that keeps growing back? Try one of these this week and tell me in the comments how your harvest goes. I reply to every gardener, and I love seeing your results. If you want more quick wins and simple garden hacks, hit that subscribe button right now, because your fall garden is just getting started.